Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the hardware and software. Wipe the sensor and dry your finger. Oils, sweat, or dust block capacitive reads. Once done, remove case or protector that sits over the sensor and make sure iOS is current. Updates often fix sensor firmware. Next, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches, then go to Settings, disable Touch ID, and re-enable it so the system resets its enrollment state. These quick actions resolve most immediate failures. Now you re-enroll fingerprints properly and inspect the device. When adding a print, move your finger slowly to capture edges and center. Variety makes recognition reliable. If failures persist, inspect the sensor area for moisture, residue, or physical damage. Slight cracks or misaligned screen protectors can stop capacitive sensing. If still failing after re-enrolling, go to Settings and choose Reset All Settings. This clears configuration conflicts without erasing data and often resolves stubborn software-caused Touch ID faults. For final remedies, back up to iCloud and perform a restore to a fresh install. Corrupted system files can sabotage Touch ID. If restore does not help, contact Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar visit. Sensor assemblies are proprietary and often require professional replacement. Make sure you bring proof of purchase if under warranty. One key troubleshooting tip: if Touch ID works in a clean restore or safe mode, but not normally, it's a software conflict. Otherwise, plan for hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.